My voice is so weird. Ugh, why do I look so awful today? Have you ever felt uncomfortable on camera? What's up everyone, it's Ashni. Let's be honest, feeling awkward on camera makes content creation really hard. I've been a creator for 6 years, and when I started, I had zero on-screen charisma. $6 and uno cento. It was bad. I know what it's like, so here's my best advice from the perspective of someone who has been there. The first thing you want to do is personalize the camera. Some people use googly eyes, some people imagine a friend. The way that I like to do this is that I imagine that I'm talking to a small streamer who just found my content and just figured out that there is a whole lot to learn about streaming. Oh my god, I kind of imagined myself 5 years ago. Huh. Therapy is doing things to my brain, y'all. Oh my god. The second thing you want to do is make YouTube videos. YouTube is the best thing that I ever did to develop a better streaming personality. It helped me be more confident on camera, it helped me learn that eye contact is actually really important, and it helped me learn how to keep people's attention for a longer period of time. You might be able to do this in the beginning by recording yourself and showing it to family and friends and getting their feedback on whether or not it feels natural. My next tip is excitement. Let yourself get excited and let yourself feel passionate. Whenever you start talking about things that excite you, you let that energy flow through you, and then it's way more likely it will come out on camera. Just don't be afraid of it whenever you start to feel it like I used to be. So when you feel that excitement, close your eyes, let it bubble up, and then just release it to the world. Some people aren't gonna dig it, and that's okay. You don't need them in your stream anyways. My next tip is to change your physical state. If you notice that you're a person who doesn't really look into the camera often, doesn't smile, and has a really monotone voice, then you might consider switching your posture a little bit and smiling more, looking into the camera, and being more friendly, because that comes across as you are a person that is more charismatic, which means people are more likely to want to get to know you. When you're uncomfortable, you make your audience uncomfortable. So don't be uncomfortable. Just be comfortable. Are you comfortable? Next tip is to make mistakes. Yes, I want you to screw up. Messing up is human, and it's really relatable, and it's gonna happen a lot if you're creating live content. So don't be afraid of it. We've all got this perfectionism monster inside of us that tells us that we have to be perfect or we're not worthy of acceptance from people. But that's just not true. Relatable content is content that people see themselves in. We're all humans. We all goof up. 6 is prepare. Prepare your stream ahead of time. If you don't know what you're going to be playing, if you don't know what you're going to be talking about, if you don't know what the stream is going to be like at all, it's way more likely that you're going to have anxiety about it or feel unprepared, and that's going to make you come across as a little bit more uncomfortable than usual. I used to plan a question of the day, 3 to 5 topics that I could monologue about myself regardless of how many people showed up to chat, and a presentation. So I actually would create a slideshow before every stream where I teach people about things like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. My next tip is practice. You don't have to be amazing when you first start. In fact, like I said, I want you to fail and I want you to suck, but keep at it. If this is something that you love, practice, record some videos and watch yourself, get feedback from your family and friends, and keep going, because over time you will improve as long as you put your attention towards that improvement. Practice is incredibly important, which means that you need to learn how to be consistent, so you're consistently showing up to practice. Click on this thumbnail and go check out that video. That's my best advice for consistency. I also give you a really great book that's going to teach you everything you need to know to be consistent and build habits in every area of your life. I'll see you all over there. Bye!